Hi, this is Anton from the Terra team. In this video, we're going to show you how to modify metadata within an existing dataset when that dataset contains metadata that needs to be changed. The current best practice for doing this is through a method called soft delete, which is available through the Terra Data Repository's Swagger API interface. This is a three-step process. In the first step, we gather the data repo row IDs and row values for the rows that need the update. We store those row IDs in a CSV and upload the CSV to a cloud bucket. This CSV acts as our soft delete manifest. In the second step, we send this manifest to the soft delete API to remove the metadata that you wish to change. And finally, in the third step, we re-ingest the updated data using the ingest dataset API. The first step is to gather the relevant row IDs using a query similar to this one. Once you have the row IDs and corresponding row values, you can construct your soft delete manifest and your updated data for ingestion. First, store the row IDs in a CSV file and upload it to a Google bucket. In our documentation, we have an example with a soft delete CSV manifest that has just one value, corresponding to a single row ID. Once you send this soft delete manifest to the soft delete API, the API will find the corresponding row and delete all of the metadata. Just remember that you need to have set up the proper permissions to the Google bucket in order for this to work. So make sure you've added both the data repo service account and your proxy email as storage object viewers on the Google bucket where you're staging your soft delete manifest. Once you've completed the soft delete, the metadata for that row will be gone, which means you'll no longer be able to see the associated files or share that data in a snapshot until you've re-ingested data to associate with those files. In the next step, you'll use the row values to add back metadata pointing to the file again. The row value is the value that points to the file itself and is stored in the file field in the query from the first step. You can now construct a JSON object pointing to the file whose metadata you're modifying. The JSON should look like this, with the file parameter being set equal to the row value and the other parameters being set however you see fit. Store this JSON in a Google bucket, again making sure that the Google bucket has the proper permissions set for the Terra Data repo, and then use the ingest dataset API to re-ingest the new metadata. Once you've successfully done this, you'll be able to see the updated metadata in the Terra Data repo's user interface, and you'll be able to share snapshots with this data again. Thank you for listening.